excited to introduce you to Mythical Mermaids. She's a first in a series. I have been asked many years from our fans, what is the one thing that you've really wanted to work on? And it's always been mermaids. I've been a big fan of mermaids and all things fantasy related since I was a little girl. So to finally get to work on a mermaid is a dream come true. One of the things that I really wanted to make sure about this series is that we kind of explore all different ethnicities and all different kinds of fish, whether it's in the ocean, in the sea, or even the fish that you can have in your own home. If that fish could be a mermaid, what mermaid would that fish be? This mermaid is based off of a mandarin fish, and so that is why her tail is beautiful oranges and teals and dark blue. She's got a big fin, her hair is all pulled up. She is just unique and one of a kind. It was very important for me to make sure to get some fluidity. I mean, she's under the water, she's going to be constantly moving, so to get the little flick of the tail, keeping that sweetness that I feel that she would have in her gesture, and just that little side glance like she's got something on her mind. My hope for the series is whether you're 8 or you're 80, she's gonna tug at your heartstrings and you're gonna have her for your tree.